Hello guys, so have you ever tried searching something, and then all of a sudden, there's a fucking AI result shoving itself up your face? And like literally, just a fucking answer from a fucking robot, giving you the wrong result, instead of the thing you were searching. And did I mention that you can't fucking disable it as well? Like seriously, it's just forced, you can't even get rid of it. Like holy fucking shit, I just wrote a feedback about it and they didn't even listen. So here's the feedback I wrote insulting the current CEO of YouTube, who he's a fucking pedophile for fucking allowing pornographic ads to shove themselves into anyone who is under 18 years of age. And I'm asking a simple question, has anyone at Google ever watched this movie? Because chances are, they didn't, they were like,
oh my god, let me check my TikTok account, because I hope I have 1 million subscribers. Oh you.
Like whose idea what to simply think it was a good idea to fucking resort to artificial intelligence? In fucking 4 years, we are fucking doomed, because apparently people like Bill Gates and even the CEO of YouTube don't even have functioning brains at all. Like holy fucking shit, those two faggots think that money buys them IQ, more like they bought stupidity disguised as IQ. And don't even get me started on the fact that AI is trying to shove itself down our fucking throats, and soon enough, we are fucking doomed, unless we have a John Anyways, here's how you can defeat the forced AI results on Google. Just type an insult, like fuck or fucking for example, and there you go, kind of similar to what Sarah Connor said to the Terminator before destroying him. So now you know how to avoid Google's forced AI results, and as of always, I'll see you in another video.